Good afternoon. It's Good Friday today, and I received in the post the other day a nice little card from Mr. and Mrs. Barker out in Ontario. I do believe they used to live in Sherbrooke. It hasn't changed all that much. Well, a bit. It's got a few more people here than last time. Yeah, it's been a bit of a funny sort of a week because I've been trying to press on with doing this Ford Focus. You'll see the... I'm trying to put a video together of it. What a mess about it was, and we ended up putting a new cross member on it. Curtis come down and give me a hand to put one little screw in that took us about an hour to put one tiny screw in to hold the power steering pipes. Bad idea. They've also got some other bad ideas on these Ford Focuses. The sheet metal work on them's just extremely thin, and in their infinite wisdom, Ford have put plastic wheel arches in the front, to stop all the muck getting kicked up. But in the back they put felt moulded wheel arches. Have you ever heard of anything so stupid in all your life? It's like a sponge. It just absorbs all the salt water, and then you're scratching your head going, I wonder why the wheel arches have rusted out. Anyway, it's nearly done now. I don't particularly like this car. I only bought it out of a bit of a mercy for the guy who was, I think it was a friend of Jim's, Jim Smith, who does the upholstery. I wanted to offload it because his father had died and he wanted to get rid of it, but nobody would touch it because it was so rusty. So I thought, well, for $500 I'll give it a go. I put new sills on it. I was going to bond them on, but there was nothing to bond on to. So I ended up welding them. So it's taken me about 2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks in a car you don't even like. It's like working Land Rover, isn't it? Yeah. But anyway, that said, it's going to be a nice little car when it's all cleaned up. Somebody's going to like it, I'm sure. I think my friend Jim the snowplow man, he's after it for his daughter. He keeps coming down every day to have a look at it. So I think he's going to be happy with that. But I'll do a video on that later for that. What else is coming up? Oh, the other day I got delivery of 2 axles from a Land Rover Wolf. They're just underneath there. You might be able to see the side of the pallet. We're going to be fitting some Ashcroft air lockers into them. Now that'll be interesting, won't it? So I've got to clear off my bench, clear off everything out here, and then we'll start to that. But I think he's going to send me a package with bearings and rebuild kits and seals and stuff like that, because I ain't got anything for them. But it'll be a nice little interesting project, so that's coming up. What else? Well, I hope spring's coming up very shortly, because my God, it's been so cold. I rust-proof this inside my shop, which I don't usually like doing. I usually like to do it outside because you get some bit of breeze around it and things. But it was -4 this morning. God, it seems to be winter seems to be dragging on and on and on. That's it. I just want to say Happy Easter to everybody and keep you posted what's going on. I am putting a video together of this car and what we did to it. Oh, dear me. And show you how poorly this was originally rust-proofed. It wasn't. Believe me, it wasn't. Anyway, enough of this rambling. Catch you later. Ta-ra.